Hello my friends, today I'm going to make a greeting card for my friend. So I thought I should make a video, and so I will make my video and I will create my card as well. So first of all I want to introduce my tools, what I'm going to use. So for sure I'm going to use Tim Holtz distress inks, Ranger archival ink, and clear gesso, collage gel or glue, and white gesso, putty, and I'm thinking to use these two stencils. And this is my paper which I'm going to use. So first I will gesso my paper and then I will show you everything in fast motion. And I have also decided to, this is the caption which my friends wants on the card. So this is the title for this. Let us start doing this card. I'm using white gesso. As you all know that white gesso will layer up the surface and it will help you to work more on this layer, and it will thicken the surface of your paper as well. I will use some dilution inks and then I will use texture. Okay. One thing when you are using inks, when you are using ink, try to put these kitchen towels underneath your work. So when you spray, the extra spray will go here on the kitchen towel, and then you can use these kitchen towel later on in your artwork. Is it blue or black? It's black. Let's do some blue. Water spray and then spread it nicely. I'm leaving this part a little bit lighter because I need to add my title in the middle somewhere. Add some colors around on the edges. Okay. My surface is dried now. As I have decided to use this title on my card, I was thinking to just add this title first. So it's going to be a little difficult, but this is what my idea is. I'll do my favorite thing. I will rip the edges. We'll use ink, Tim Holtz. Let's distress the edges first. I will just add a little bit more. What color is it? Antique linen. Yes. Right now I will use black. Black distress ink. And let me start. I will use my collage gel. You can use any type of glue, whatever you have. Let's do some texture. I'm going to use this stencil. I'm going to use putty as I introduced my putty in the beginning. I will use palette knife. Nice. Remove it carefully. A little bit here. Okay. This is dried now. Carefully use my dilution ink because I don't want my background to get dirty. I will just drop some. Little spray and a little water. I'm going to use my watercolor brush. It's got water in it, so it will become easy for me to spread this color gently. Now I will use London blue. Use my watercolor. Yeah, very old palette. I will take away. This is the tissue paper technique in watercolor. You can take away some of the color with tissue paper if you feel that there is some excess color on the surface. This is Ranger Archival ink acetate. This is permanent. This is waterproof. For final touches I will use waterproof archival ink. Yeah, and this is the final piece. I hope you enjoyed this video and you liked it. And if you like it, please
give it a thumbs up.
Don't forget to give a big thumbs up.
Very big thumbs up.